Today I'm going to show you how to make a horse out of a footprint. For this craft you'll need some construction paper or colored paper. You'll need some cardstock or different colored paper. You'll need googly eyes, some yarn, some scissors, you'll also need some glue stick and white glue, and of course some crayons or markers. First, take a piece of construction paper and using a pencil, you will need to trace your foot. You may want to ask an adult for help with this part. Now that your foot is traced, cut out your footprint. Now you can glue your cutout footprint to your cardstock. Make sure the heel is pointed down. That's going to be the nose of your horse. Using the remains of your construction paper, cut out a neck and ears and glue them to your footprint to make a horse shape. Add some googly eyes. Using white glue, attach yarn to make a mane for your horse. Set aside to dry. Once dry, use crayons or markers to draw on details. When you're happy with how your horse looks, you're finished.